System files corrupted by the Advanced Vector Extensions 2 Library DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. Before we begin the manual steps for Advanced Vector Extensions 2 Library, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the Advanced Vector Extensions 2 Library, a specialized library component used by high-performance software, like video encoders or AI tools, to detect and utilize the Avx2 instruction set on modern CPUs. It contains optimized assembly routines for vector math. If this file is missing, the software will either crash or fall back to much slower processing modes. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Since Advanced Vector Extensions 2 Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized CPU Optimization shim toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application, where you received the error, is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Advanced Vector Extensions 2 library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like Advanced Vector Extensions 2 Library DLL. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If Advanced Vector Extensions 2 Library is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Advanced Vector Extensions 2 Library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.